Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make homemade biscuits. These biscuits are so soft, buttery, flaky, and easy to make. In a large mixing bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour and going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix together until combined. Now for the most important ingredient for these homemade biscuits is the butter. You're going to need 6 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter. I like to place my butter in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour before I begin to make these. In order to get those buttery, flaky layers in your biscuits, you're going to need to cut the butter into your dry ingredients. I like to use a box grater to shred the butter first, then using a pastry cutter to cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Now it's time to add in 1 cup of cold buttermilk and stir with a spatula until combined, making sure to not overmix. It's super important to make sure your butter and buttermilk are cold. This is going to help give your biscuits those nice flaky layers. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Then transfer your dough to a floured surface and using your hands, gently work the dough together. Then fold the dough in half and turn it 90 degrees. Then pat it again and fold again. You want to do this about 4 to 6 times. This process is going to give your biscuits those buttery, flaky layers. Then using your hands, you want to flatten the dough until it's about 1 inch thick. Now using a 2-inch biscuit cutter, press straight down into the dough, and you don't want to twist it. Then place the biscuits onto a baking sheet that's been lined with parchment paper, and you want to space them about 1/2 inch apart. Then gently pat the scraps together to cut out the rest of your biscuits. With this recipe, you should get 8 biscuits. You're going to bake in a preheated 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes or until the tops are golden brown. Once I remove them from the oven, I like to brush them with melted butter. And these homemade biscuits are ready. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!